Hello, it's Pitlock, and today I'm doing a little video on opening one of these Thumbturn Euro cylinders from the other end, from the key end. So yesterday I posted a little video on opening one with a little bypass tool where we can insert that into the keyway and we can activate the Thumbturn from the other end of the lock. However, not many people have one of these, so we're going to do it with a paperclip this time. But first of all, let's show the lock in working order. Thank you to DJ Audits for the keyring. There we go, it works just fine. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. And we'll make the little bypass tool. So first of all, get the paperclip, straighten it out, like so, get it as straight as possible. And then maybe about 1 centimetre from the end, put a kink in it, then fold that kink all the way back onto itself. You might want to wear gloves for this, or use a tool, but I thought I'd just do it like this. There we go, get it as flat as possible and as straight as possible. In fact, that's not really even that straight, but it should be okay. Bend that little bit out and make yourself a little bit of a handle. And then we're going to insert it into the lock towards where the pins sit on that side of the lock, and we'll give it a turn and see if we can open this lock. There we go, it's getting a bit stuck because it's not very straight. There we go, we're in, and there we go, we've turned the Thumbturn. So that's how to do it. Don't do this on a lock that is in use in case you get the paperclip stuck in your lock, and it won't work on all Thumbturn locks, but it will work on some. So there you go, thank you for watching, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.